This video I show you the best way to get compensated just to watch recordings, which is probably the most straightforward method for bringing in cash online. How to do it we're going to figure out. This is the way to bring in cash online by watching it. Additionally, just a little level of individuals that watch my recordings are truly bought in, so assuming you wind up getting a steam out.
So before ending video, I would like to invite you to search my channel Easy Earning and subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that I may be able to notify you with new strategies to make money. Thanks in advance.
You at whatever point I have a new methodology to bring in cash on the web, so you can be one of the first to utilize it subsequently. Obviously get the most cash flow, so the first step is to open your cell phone. The second step is to tap on the advertisements, and the last advance, which is stage 3, is to bring in cash again and again. As basic as that. So at the present time, let me show you the rundown of individuals from everywhere the world who have changed out their profit from this site. So you may be asking, how much would you be able to truly procure by watching it? Well, for one application you can acquire up to $2, which implies assuming that you watch 10 promotions you can acquire up to $20 in the event that you watch 20 advertisements. You can acquire up to $60 in the event that you watch 50 advertisements. You can now procure up to $100. You should simply utilize your cell phone or your PC or lap computer. Backslid up the strategy which I will show you today is 100% free, so you don't have to put away any cash whatsoever, and this is accessible worldwide, so any place you are all over the planet you can do this. So in 1 minute I will show you the best way to pursue a free record, and I'll show you bit by bit the best way to do this. Yet before that, remark down underneath, I am from Clear, aka your country. In that manner I will know precisely where you're from, so later on I can ensure that each and every video I discharge is intended for you. So drop your nation's name in the remarks down beneath, and remember, I will be offered a ton of extra tips that can assist you with acquiring multiplied contrasted with others. So try to watch this video until the end and avoid no part so you won't pass up those significant hints. Currently we should return to the video so you can tap on promotions like this on your telephone or on your PC and rake in tons of cash like this. Individuals who are procuring a few dollars, considerably more than $30 now. Everything you need to do is approached red clicks info, so you can get compensated by basically tapping on advertisements. So here on the top you can see that they have paid over $4 million to 2 million individuals all around the world presently. How about we continue to the indication of interaction? So feel free to tap on this register button at the upper right hand corner, and that will then take more time to this page here where you can enroll as a part for totally free. Now you need to fill in your complete name, date of birth, your username is your secret word, your email address, and affirm your email address and your secret key here. After that you can now enter your installment subtleties where you need to accept your income. As you can see, you have different installment choices to browse. For example, Payer, Bitcoin, Neteller, Skrill, Broadcast, Appointment, Lightpoint, and Spigot. Pay. In the wake of picking your favorite installment technique, you can then go on with the picture confirmation here, so you need to type in the letters and numbers which are displayed herein. Afterward, at last, you need to consent to the terms of administration, and afterward click on register. Yet genuine speedy, assuming that you all are partaking in this video wherein I've invested a great deal of effort and energy to do. I would truly see the value in it, assuming you all tap the like button and ensure you buy in with notice on, and in the event that we get 1,000 preferences on this video, I'll drop a pristine video 1 week from now to show you folks precisely the best way to get either more cash flow internet doing essential stuff like this in the solace of your home currently. How about we return to the video, so when you sign into your record, this is the way it will seem, as though you will see a photograph with a ton of little boxes. So assuming that you float your mouse to the lower right half of this photograph, which is the last box of this photograph. You can see the position, so there are boxes that really intends that there are 560 boxes here in this photograph, and one box is comparable to one at, so you should simply tap on one of these crates and afterward you will bring in cash. So the thing you will do is pick on one of these containers here, and that will take more time to an arbitrary page. You need to remain there for something like 30 seconds to get compensated. For instance, I click on this box here and that will take more time too. This page I need to hang tight for 15 seconds, and that is all there is to it. You don't need to do anything by any stretch of the imagination. Stay on the page and stand by. You don't for a moment even need to tap on anything, and you don't for a moment even need to join. The open door is limitless in light of the fact that, as you can see, there are 500 boxes and you can pick or any cases you like. You'll continue to bring in cash again and again. As a summary, what you will do is click on any box you need and afterward stay on that page for around 30 seconds. Then, at that point, you will bring in cash. Now, as a little something extra tip, at times assuming that you click on one of these cases and a video advertisement will make a mockery of that, is uplifting news, since video promotions will cause you to acquire twofold. So you should simply remain on that page until the video finishes, and afterward you will procure twofold their standard income. Another reward tip, which I'll show you, is that occasionally on these pages there are flag advertisements that resemble this. Now the thing you will do is click on these pennant advertisements in light of the fact that each time you click on these you will procure extra. So what I mean is continue to click advertisements at whatever point you discover some, since that will get you more cash flow. As basic as that, let me click on this standard at here, and that will lead me to this page where I need to in a real sense don't do anything. As I said before, you don't need to do anything by any means. Now, assuming you're actually watching this piece of the video, if it's not too much trouble, leave a remark down underneath to tell me that you're actually observing. Now that you will in any case be here, I sharing the last reward tip that will assist you with procuring more, and that is by eluding others. So you should simply welcome your companions or gathering of companions and your family here on this site. You can then get additional cash. Thusly, as you can see here on the left hand side, there are immediate references, least references, lease references, and buy references. Anyway, you simply need to zero in on direct references in particular. So individuals have been bringing in good cash from this site, and they did that simply by eluding and observe big taps. Now, to get considerably more cash flow, then you really want to watch this video here.